Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to use the weekday function in Excel, which returns a number from 1, Sunday, to 7, Saturday, representing the day of the week of a date. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.